Yo, what up? How's it going? So if you want to learn how to go about your estimated delivery date Shopify app, all right, today's video is going to put you through. Now, what you need to do is to click on apps. Then you want to search for estimated. As you can see, this is CEDD, estimated delivery date. So you want to click on that and you want to activate. So now it's going to show this. You want to click on install. So once you click on that, you want to install it. So now I have the stuff installed, but in case maybe yours is showing a red sign here, maybe it's telling you that you have to activate. Okay, just come to your online store. Okay, so once you're in your online store, just like this, just click on customize and go to activate it in your online store. Okay, it depends on the team you're using. So my team has already activated it. So you come to this app embeds. Okay, then make sure that you toggle this. Okay, make sure that this is toggled. So you need to toggle it here. This is the app. You need to activate it here. Then you click on save. All right. So once you do that, it's going to activate. So it's going to activate right there. All right. So now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and customize. So you can see here is the customization. So you can just change the text. Maybe your delivery is, let's say 7 to, let's say 19 days shipping. Okay. So you can see here is how it's going to show in your Shopify product page. Okay, so wherever you want to put it, all right, and you can actually edit all this. Okay, you can decide to remove the country flag and the country, but I would suggest you just leave it alone. And the order within the cut of time, everything, it's just going to show just like this. All right, and you can scroll down and just customize it to whatever it is you want to customize. If you want it to be advanced, maybe you want this, you can change it to advanced, or you can change it to basic. Okay, whatever it is you want to change it to. All right, so you can decide to change this to order ready, or maybe the component to display and all that. So just play around this app. It's very simple. Okay, this is not coding. All right, and in case you want to learn how to use code, okay, because using apps like this, though, it's kind of slow down your store whenever you have a lot of application. So you can either use a way to do it without using an application. I have a beginner-friendly way that you can also add estimated delivery dates to your store without using an application. Or maybe I might link to the video in the video description, so you can check it out. And if you scroll up, you click on widgets, you click on settings also. Okay, so you can decide to change all these maybe to the time you want your delivery to happen alone, or the time you want it to show. You can change that, and you can decide to play around it. Just play around everything just like this. Okay, scroll through. Just keep scrolling, and you can decide to make it maybe non-working days when the current time is greater than the deadline and all that. So but for real, if you just have this ready like this, it's fine. Okay, and maybe you want it to show manual things where you want the widget placement method. Okay, you can decide to, and if you want it to show above the cart or below the cart, do that. Where you want it to show, if it's on all pages or products page, and decide to select all or only products page. So this is basically how to go about this. You can also change the color. Okay, the icon color, you can change it to red. Whatever color you want to change it to, you can change it to red. Also the status and date title color, you can also change this to red. So it's pretty simple. Okay, so that's about that. Okay, so you can also decide to add only countries or all country. Go about it. And this app is free to use. Okay, so you're free to use them. All right. So this is how you go about using the application. And once you're done, the advanced also, you can just leave that. So the moment you're done, just click on save, and it's gonna save and it's gonna show in your product page. All right. So yeah, something like this enable. All right. So yep. So now click on enable, and it's gonna enable. Right. So if I disable it, it's disabled, enable. So once you enable it, it's gonna show. Okay, so make sure you enable it and you have it in your products page or whatever page you want it to activate. All right, and if you do not want it to show any longer, just click on disable, and it's gonna disable. So this is how you can use the Shopify application as estimated delivery dates. Okay, and if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials. And even if you don't want to subscribe, please at least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there. And I'll see you in another video. Peace. And also share this video with any friend, family, or your colleagues so that they can also learn something like this. And if you want a video that shows you how to do this without using an application, I'm going to link to it in the video description, or you can check out my channel to see it. You can just check out my channel and search. You'll see estimated delivery dates code, or how to go about estimated delivery dates with or without an application. Now, remember, the coding is not hard. Okay, this is easy. Just a single line of code that you just paste in your custom liquid, and you're good to go. All right. So it's not all these technical coding methods that you still have to keep, adding div and all that. So it's very simple. I'm not even much of a coder. Okay, so even if I can do it, you also can do it. So thank you. I'll see you over the other video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.